Hello everyone, I'm Xiao He. Today we are going to taste a must-have dish for summer barbecue, vegan skewer. The vegan skewer we are using today are from Jack&King. It is said that these gluten skewer are delicious and healthy. Let's try. Place the thawed vegan skewer on the grill and cook for 1 minute. Then brush them with oil and continue grilling for about 5 minutes until the surface turns golden. Remember to flip them during the process. Finally, sprinkle some barbecue seasoning on the top and grill for an additional minute before serving. Ding ding ding! Vegan skewer are ready! They look really good and appetizing. Let's taste one. It's a very chewy and firm texture, and the combination of a vegan skewer and sauce is excellent. It's hard to resist having another one. Jack&King's vegan skewer has zero sugar, zero fat, and high protein. The ingredients are simple and clean, and is delicious and healthy. I highly recommend you to give it a try. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Jack&King's, a taste of China, anytime, anywhere.